terribly sorry, but my battery died when I was going to pick up my faux fur order. So now, what I'm going to do is open it to have a look at what we have. This is the faux fur that we have for one of my wolf commissions. So it's a long pile faux fur with like purple theme in it, so it sort of looks like a galaxy, which is what the wolf is going to be. So hopefully I can get started with some work on that this week and get a good chunk of it done, because my Celestial Fox collection is finished. I just have some videos to edit, so I've got quite a few videos to edit because I sort of want to release them all at kind of once. So that's probably going to be my week this week, is a lot of video editing, so we'll see what we'll see what happens. Anyway, I'll catch up with you later. Hi guys, welcome to this week's vlog. I managed to get a lot done during the week, so I'm uploading a series of videos this week because I'm releasing that that Fox collection. So I've got a couple of videos going up this week, so well, last week I guess. So I managed to get a lot of those done during the week, so I can have a pretty chilled out day today. I still have the commissions to work on, but that's pretty much it. So I'll just plod along with that. I have to cast a wolf head today, and that way I can start making the rest of the wolves, well, the 2 wolves. So yeah, not too much to do today, but I will hopefully get a lot done. So if you want to see me working, then keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to do some casting. All I have to do is cast the wolf head, so need to make some room, and there you can watch. So it's pretty cold here in Australia right now, so I'm going to use a light, and it'll just heat up the resin just a tiny bit, so it will cure a little bit faster, because yeah, when it's cold it tends to not cure as fast, so I don't really want to wait around. So that is a good handy tip if you want your resin to cure faster. It's a bit of a strange lighting, but yeah, just you could also heat up your mold a little bit with a light or something like that, and that way your mold will be warm and your resin will cure a little bit faster. So just a good handy tip there for you. sign off for today. I managed to get the other wolf head cast, so that is ready to go and start making the body and stuff. This one has green eyes. Yeah, so I can start putting that together now. I also painted up the other head, so that is also ready to go. It's looking good. I like the way the look that these wolves have, especially with the glass eyes. I think they look pretty cool. I cut out a whole lot of faux fur, so that's ready to be sewn up. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did today. I took it easy. The fur cutting takes a little while anyway, and the casting as well takes a little while, so that's pretty much taken all day. I had to cast some new wolf feet just because for some reason these two, obviously it was a problem with the resin, so it hasn't really cured. It's still a little bit soft and it's been sitting there for a few days, so I think these feet are a little bit of a write-off. It was coming up to the end of the resin in the one container, so sometimes that just goes off or something, or doesn't mix, something like that. Even though the ratio was mixed properly because they're the right color, sometimes it's just off. It's winter here, so the resin takes a little bit longer to set, as opposed to casting things in summer, which it sets pretty quickly, but when it's winter it sets pretty slowly. So yeah, these are pretty much a write-off. I have to chuck them out. So you can see how flimsy it is. So these have to be tossed, unfortunately. They can't be used, but that's fine. It didn't take long to cast some more feet. I have a couple of molds of wolf feet now because they're used quite often. But bit of a waste of resin, but oh well, at least it was at the end of the packaging and not a brand new one. But anyway, if you want to know any more details about problems like this with resin, and like maybe, I don't know, any details you're interested in about it, just let me know in the comments and I could probably do a video on that as well. So yeah, alright, so I'll probably catch up with you tomorrow. Today's Friday. At the end of the day, I'm gonna leave it here for today, but I'm just gonna show you what I actually got done. I spent a few hours sewing some bodies for commissions. So what we have, they're a little bit more complex than my regular like one solid color body. So this one has like a grey, they're both wolf commissions, but this one's got like a grey mane with it underneath, and the tips of the legs are grey, and also there's white in between, so and it's got a white body, so there's a lot of chopping and changing and a lot of sewing on this body, but yeah, I can actually start putting things together next week and see how it all goes. The next body is a space or nebula galaxy theme. So again, the same chopping and changing thing. It's got like a black mane, it's got black legs, and it's got some like galaxy type faux fur on it, and it's got a black underbelly as well. So that's what we have. And then I've got my two wolf heads. My two wolf heads that are ready to put in. This one's for the galaxy one, and this one is the other one. Yeah, let's see how they turn out. I really like the gaze that they have, so it's a little more mysterious, I think. So I painted those up today as well, and I got a whole bunch of little wolf paws as well that I painted up, so they're drying. So yeah, probably be ready to go next week with those commissions and hopefully get majority of it finished. My Celestial Fox went up today, so the whole collection went up today, so you can head over and have a look at the collection. There's something for everyone on there. There's an art doll, one art doll, one sculpture, polymer clay sculpture, 2 original watercolor paintings. One of those is available as a print, and a sticker set. So something that I try to get for everyone. Look at my cat carrying around his dolphin. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, so that's pretty much all I've done today. Sewing always takes a little bit of time to get done, but in the meantime, I'm actually starting a Patreon. So when is this going to go up? So it actually should be up. So you can head to, I'll try and remember to link it down below, but I have a couple of different tiers that are available, but I'll do its own separate video, but I thought I'd mention it in the vlog as well. So anyway, I'm going to end it here, and then I'll edit this and see if I can get it finished and ready to go up. But yeah, like I said, in the meantime, you can check out my shop at creaturesofnat.com. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at creaturesofnat. And don't forget to subscribe and comment and like this video. It really helps me spread the word. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.